Guys, this is Greg with Spates Painting and Painters Hub. Today I just want to go over real quick with you about your profile. A lot of you are signing up and we need you to get in here and get your profile done. After you sign up and verify your email, come back to the site and go to your settings, sign in, and then you'll see yourself up here, and then go to your profile settings. Profile or go to settings, either one. And what you want to do is you want to fill out all the rest of the information. This is your type. This is your painting company title. This is your title in your description, and then do a nice write-up about yourself. Don't just say, "Oh, I'm a painter. Hire me." If you want something done, spend a little time on this because this is how you get found. So if you spend a little time on it, or if you don't know how to do it and you want some help, either contact us or get a friend to help you that knows how to write a good little statement for you. Using keywords, and I'll point out to you here what he's done. So he's got Dennisburg Painting, so he's got his name of his company. He's got a city in here, California. He's got a zip code. He's throwing the word painters in there, which is really good for indexing. And then within his write-up here, his description, he still has house painting. He has near Sunset Beach, Los Angeles, Orange County. So he's listing a few different cities, which is really great. And he's got home painting in here. He's got interior walls. But also what he's doing is he's actually making sentences out of this. He is using keywords, but he's actually making it with a flow. It's important that you have a flow because Google frowns on it if you just put a bunch of keywords in a page. They don't like that. Google's smarter than that. So you need to write something like he did here. It's like, we at Dennis Painting, pride ourselves in doing this, that, and the other. And then he starts listing interior walls and lists a few things. And then he goes into another sentence. We also do exterior painting. So more keywords. This is really great. So you want to do something like this. This is good, but he could have probably even done a few more sentences, just more description of what he does and how long he's been painting. And always make sure that you add, the contact me part, because that's important. You gotta cause people to have action. So tell people to contact you on the page. That's great. So here we go. We're going to show you how the profile looks real quick. So we're going to edit profile, and it's real simple. I've made this simple for you, so you don't have to spend a ton of time on it. So here's your first and last name, display name. This is where you want to put your business name. So he's got Dennisburg Painting. That's great. This is going to display across all your pages when you make listings for your services later on. So, and then this is a username. So username is basically going to be your business name again, but it's part of the URL. So it's part of what is at the top of the page. So you'll want it to look like that. So if you want it to either be all one word, or you can space it with underscores like this, like he did. That's great. That way it'll be like Painters Hub / Dennisburg / painting. So that's going to index really well. So at least Google knows you're a painting company. And then here's your map. So you want to put in your address and zip code here. You don't have to put your home address. You may not want people to know exactly where you live. So just put your city, state, and zip code. That way, if they search any of those, it's great. Your phone number. This is where you're going to put your profile picture. So you can put a logo here, a picture of your face, or you can just put a picture of a house being painted or something that showcases your business. So like I said, a logo or your face or just a painting picture that showcases you. And then this is your description here. So this is where you write up and tell people about yourself, put your keywords in there, make sure it flows. Don't just make some short thing because nobody's going to see it otherwise. And I want people to find you. I want you to get jobs. It's that simple. I'm in it for you. I'm all about you guys making money. I don't even get paid on this right now, so I don't care. I just want you guys to sign up, start making some money, and have a good time with this. So that's it. And then once you finish all that, just hit the save information, and it will load it up. And you're ready to go. And if you want to see your profile again after you do that, you just click right here, and it's going to take you to your page so you can see. And then you can see what it looks like and what other people are going to see when they go to your page, okay? And if you see things you want to fix, you just go ahead and go back to edit and fix it up. So that's what we want to show you today. If you have any questions, contact me. I'm Greg. I'm the CEO of Painters Hub and Spates Painting. Um, I'm looking forward to having thousands of painters sign up. You know, we're all painters. We're having fun. We're making some money. So join us and let's do it together. Take care. See you soon.